Hello everyone, welcome back to Financiable. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to log into Banner Bank. So if you are willing to log into Banner Bank but don't know how to, then this video is for you. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open any browser, and in the search box type in Banner Bank and hit the enter and click on the first link that appears from the shown result. So in order to log in, you can see the online banking option right there. Click on the sign in and here you will be taken to login page. So here what you gotta do is, in order to log in, simply fill up your login ID and a password. You can also click on remember me if you wanna save the password for the next time. And once you are done filling your login ID and password, you can simply click on login option and you will be successfully logged into Banner Bank. That is how easily you can log into Banner Bank. I hope you found the video to be helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.